My dear students, take out your English rose, Chapter 3, The North Wind and the Sun. Children, today I am going to explain you this chapter, The North Wind and the Sun. It's a fable, means small stories, short stories which teaches us a lesson. These are about animals or nature. Here we will learn about the nature, the wind and the sun. One day, sun decided to travel across the sky. A freezing blast of wind, means a strong burst of air, rode and nearly blew him along with it. Sun realized it was none other than the angry north wind. Grumpy means angry, angry north wind. Out of my way, sun, Lord North Wind shouted. North Wind shouted, "Go out of my way. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time?" said Sun. Sun said, "Why always you have to be angry? I am strong. I rule over winter. There is no one as powerful as me. I can blow away ships, trees, and almost everything away," boasted North Wind. Here they were both arguing, means fighting together. So North Wind said, "I am strong, I rule over winter, I can blow away ships, trees, almost everything away. But I too rule over summer. I give heat and light to everyone. Plants, people and animals would die without me. Surely I am the one who is more powerful," claimed Sun. Now Sun said, "I am also powerful. I am more powerful because I give life to plants, people and animals. Because of my light, they grow. Otherwise, they would have died." It's true, no children? We all need sunlight. "You sit in the sky and do nothing except shine. But I am full of force and energy," said North Wind. Now North Wind is saying, "But you only sit and shine. I have so much power. I am full of force and energy." While they were arguing, a man passed along the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. You can see here the man and here the north wind and the sun. They both were arguing who is more powerful. Turn the page, children. As a test, Sun said, "Let us see which of us can take the coat of that man." Sun decided, "Let's see who can remove the man's coat, warm coat." "Easy, I can do that in no time," bragged North Wind. North Wind bragged that I can do it in no time. "Go on then," said Sun. "I will watch you from behind a cloud." Sun told North Wind, or gave North Wind a chance to attempt the test first. And he will watch from behind a cloud. North Wind blew and blew. It blew so hard that the birds clung to the trees. When the wind blows, what happens? You all have seen, the children. The birds clung to the trees. The world was filled with dust and leaves. It became cold and the ground was covered with frost. Frost means a thin layer of ice. It turned cold. The man started to shiver. The harder the wind blew, the tighter he clung to his coat to keep himself warm. He was trying to keep himself warm and holding it tightly. North Wind blew with all his strength, but the man bent himself against the wind and held his coat tighter still. He held his coat tighter and tighter. What happens when you feel cold? How we hold our dupattas tightly? For all this puffing and panting, North Wind could do nothing. North Wind was not able to do anything. "I give up," gasped North Wind at last, means breathed with difficulty. "I have got no more puff left," means no power, no force or energy left within. Now it is my turn, said sun as it emerged from the cloud. Emerged means children came out of the cloud. Sun warmed the air and the frosty ground. It was with a thin layer of ice changed. What a lovely day it is turning out to be. Everything is so bright and beautiful. I want to enjoy the warmth, thought the man. Then the sun grew brighter and brighter. Here the man is thinking, oh, what a warm weather, nice weather. Let me enjoy the warmth, because he was here shivering due to the wind blowing, fast blowing wind. He was feeling cold, helpless. Here he is feeling very happy and he want to enjoy the bright sunny weather. Children, you and me, we too enjoy the bright sunny weather always. Now come here. It is too warm for this heavy winter coat, the man said to himself. Now the weather was turning warmer and warmer, so the man said, I am feeling very hot. Let me remove the coat. He removed his coat and walked on with it, hanging loosely in his arms. Here you can see in the picture, he hanged it in his arm. He was glad to complete his journey, more lightly clad. He was very happy, nice weather, warm weather. He was walking about to complete his journey. Then sun turned to north wind and said, so, who is stronger, you or me? So children, now you tell me, I am sure you understood that this chapter is all about you don't need to show your power or shout or to prove you need to howl or be angry with anyone. You need to be calm within and show your strength. Thank you, children.